Hello guys, once again we are up with another video on computer blogging. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download Genymotion in Windows 10. Actually Genymotion is also an Android emulator, and for that we have to go first on their website, which is Genymotion, www.genymotion.com, and I'm going to open that link. Once it is opened, and actually I have opened two, so close one, and now on their home page, as we can see on their download page, actually they have the option of download for Windows without VirtualBox, right? So this is the one which we needed for our Windows, and it will take around 41 MB, so it won't be an issue for anyone who have a decent system space. So we should also now review the system requirements, and as you can see over here on the system requirements, they have Microsoft Windows 8, 8.1 and 10 versions for 64-bit only. Then hardware accelerated GPU, 400 MB disk space is required, 4 GB of RAM is required, along with the VirtualBox if you are going to download it with VirtualBox. But in our case we are going to download it without VirtualBox, so it will definitely work fine. And if someone is going to buy their premium version, so let's take a review on their pricing. I'm going to click on the pricing section, and as you can see they have different versions for different usages. So they are providing Android as a service, so they have three main features, which are device image for 0.50 per hour a device. Then they have SaaS based $3 per hour and device. Now the final one is desktop, which is for local devices, and it is quite expensive, which is $412 per year and user. So in that case over 3000 Android configurations work on Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So this seems good value for money, so it is okay. And what other integrations they are providing, so let's take a review. They have a Cherry test and Tricentis integrations available, so these are quite good. And here is the download for